Today is September 22. It's Saturday morning. I'm about to go and sell some cars. And the theme of today's video is I am not a great investor, and neither are you. So, hello, good morning. My name is Ara, and this is RozarasInvestments, named after my daughter. So, I talk to a lot of new investors almost every day, and they think that I'm a great investor. I am very good at math, I am very good with numbers, but I am not a great investor. The biggest thing that I have going for me, and the reason why I have made so much money investing, is because I just went and did it. I got started. So, let's give a hypothetical example. You're a person that has $100,000 invested. Do you know what you have to do to get about a $20,000 return back in 2017? To go from $100,000 to $120,000? All you had to do was stay invested. If you invested in mostly anything, you probably would have made about 20%, 21%, 24%. Depends on exactly what you're invested in, but overall, most stocks did pretty good. And if you were diversified, which means you own 20 or 30 different stocks, you own an index fund, you own a bunch of different stuff. It just means don't have all your eggs in one basket. So if you were diversified, you probably made over $20,000 in 2017 by investing. It doesn't mean you're smart. It doesn't mean I'm good at investing. It doesn't mean anyone's good at investing. It just means we were invested. So that's the theme of today's video. I'm not a good investor. You are probably not a good investor. Overall, we are probably bad investors compared to people that completely depend on this to make a living. I have somewhat dependent on being a swing trader to make a living, but I've never had that be 100% of my income. But yeah, anybody that was invested in 2017 made money. Anybody that was invested pretty much since 2009, from 2009 to 2018, got more than 100% return on their money. It doesn't mean you did anything good. It doesn't mean you have any special knowledge. Anyone that just bought shares of McDonald's, bought shares of Apple, bought shares of Netflix, bought shares of Amazon, bought shares of Chipotle, bought shares of Home Depot and Lowe's and Walmart and Target and Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts, all these different companies that we use on an everyday basis. If you would have just bought shares in those companies, leave it alone, don't pay any fees, just collect the dividends, watch your shares go up over time, over the years, you would have made a lot of money. It doesn't mean you are a smart person. It doesn't mean you did anything particularly well. It just means you had the balls to do it and stay invested. And that's really what you need. So, I hope I'm inspiring in the way that I'm making it seem like just any old normal person can make money by buying shares of great companies and just leaving it alone. Trying to use my daughter as an example, and she is not a great investor. Actually, I tell people that she's the best investor in the world because she just buys stuff and never sells. She never touches it. So I'm not a great investor. She's not a great investor. You are not a great investor. No one is a great investor, but we all make money because that is just what happens over time. These companies go up, they pay dividends. Over time, as they make more money, they pay bigger dividends and bigger dividends and bigger dividends, and your account just goes up and up and up over the years. You might have a bad month, you might have a bad year. Do not sell, just keep it invested for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. That's the way to become a millionaire. I'm about to go to work, so I'm going to end the video. Please subscribe, like, share the video with people that don't invest, actually. Share it on Facebook or whatever. Help me out. This is a new channel. I'm going to go into work, and I'm going to leave you with that. Bye, guys.